Hello, what is your name?
I'm Jennifer Mirai,
How old are you?
42.
What is your religion?
I'm Catholic.
Are you married?
I'm a single mother.
Okay, so how many kids you have?
I have 3 kids.
How old are they?
My elder is 24 and 21 and 7 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
5 months.
Do you have any working experience in other countries?
I have.
Where?
In Philippines,
How many years?
I have 14 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
5 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Humantin, Colon.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
2,500.
How many family member there?
4 adults.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
Yes, I wake up 5 in the morning, and then cooking at around till 8 o'clock, and then after that cleaning the house, and then the beddings, the toilets, and the gardening, car washing, washing the clothes.
Okay. Do
and
you
then
go market?
ironing.
Do you
Yes,
go
ma'am.
market? Okay.
I
So how
go.
about dinner? What time you cook for the dinner?
I cook 7
Okay, so what time they
evening.
eat?
At around before 8.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
11.
11 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much.